righty then. Get a mug, put in 30 grams of butter. You can get 45 grams of white chocolate. Pop this in the microwave for about 40 to 50 seconds on high. Now I want to mix this together so it's nicely combined. Yummy! Now just leave this for a minute or two to cool slightly before we put in the egg. Now add 1 egg. Now mix this through. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, caster sugar, white sugar, whatever. Mix this. Then add 5 tablespoons of self-raising flour. If you only have plain flour, that's fine. Just add half a teaspoon of baking powder to it. Now mix this through. Now pop this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Now, as you can see, it's really wobbly still. Get about a tablespoon of strawberry jam. You can use raspberry jam if you wish, or any jam, but I'm using strawberry. Then pop this back in the microwave for 45 to 55 seconds.
Simple cooking, simple